Everybody wants to structure or plan their day effectively. They want to create an amazing and a fruitful daily routine because they do realize the importance of planning the day before starting the day out. But when it comes to actually creating and following an effective daily routine, most of the people find it really hard. But now it's gonna be easy for you because today I'm gonna be giving you 5 steps to planning your everyday routine effectively. So let's get into it. Hi there, this is G Kumar. I'm all about helping people communicate well, build confidence, improve personality, and bring success habits in life. If you're new here, do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon below. Here you get such kind of videos that would help you improve your life. Step number 1 is track your overall activities. This is the first thing you should be doing because most of the times you don't realize what kind of activities you are actually doing on daily basis. What is the actual pattern you are following or have been following in your everyday life? There is no track record. You just keep on doing things aimlessly. So to get your day on track, first you need to track your present activities and make a list of everything you need to get done both in personal and professional life. So do that first. Step number 2 is a specific work, a specific time. Once you track your activities, you get to know about one specific thing and a very important thing. And that is getting to know about some specific time slots for some kind of a specific work. Now you know exactly what to do when. For example, what time is suitable for creative kind of work? What time is suitable for analytical kind of work? What time suits you to exercise? What time suits you to do some unscheduled work, etc. And when you do right things on right time, you get most out of your day. So do find your specific time and follow that. Step number 3 is meal as per your work type. Once you're clear with your work and time, you need to plan your meal accordingly. In your daily life, you do different kinds of activities like physical activities and mental activities. And to get all the things done effectively, you should be eating foods that are helpful during your work. For example, you should be eating something high in good carbohydrates and protein 1 or 2 hours before you actually do your physical kind of work. And plenty of fruits, vegetables, high in omega-3 fatty acids for your mental kind of work. And to get most out of it, you need to get it planned by an expert and eat accordingly. But do plan your meal every single day. Step number 4 is weekend special. Most of the people avoid planning their weekends. Since they don't plan, they spend most of their time doing unnecessary things. I believe weekend is an extra opportunity to do something extra, to go the extra mile in life. And if you want to get most out of your life, you should be planning your weekends too. Do some extra activities, learn something extra, develop a new habit, good habit that you think can add a spice to your life, can take your life to the next level. But do make use of your weekends effectively. Step number 5 is try a new routine. You can never get a perfect routine that you can be following throughout your entire life. You should be changing your routine from time to time, and it can be changed in 2 different situations. Situation number 1 is your present routine is not working for you. It is not actually helping you get most out of your day. And situation number 2 is you have changed your lifestyle, a kind of your job, your priorities in life, etc. In both situations, you should try a new routine. If that works for you, you continue following. If that doesn't, you try a new one. And it goes on like that. But you should be trying different routines and see what works best for you. Ta-ta. If you really like the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon below to get notified every single time a new video is uploaded.